Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. For this video though, I'm super excited because I have a brand new box. I was finally able to get my hands on this box, and it is the box from Fashionsta. I know a lot of people think it's Fashionista, but that's a totally different thing. I have no idea if they're any way connected, but this is actually by Fashionsta. So this is a fairly new subscription that is out there. I don't remember how I first heard about it, but I was on the waiting list for this box for about like 2 months. So I finally have it here. So this one is actually for the month of September. It is a little bit late, but just because of the way that the sign up worked and everything, it took a little bit longer to get to me, but I finally have it here. So this subscription, for those of you that don't know or haven't heard about it, this one is $19 a month, and the value of the box should be somewhere between $100 and $150. So for $20, that's actually not a bad value, as long as they're like awesome items. So before we get into the box, I want to remind all of you, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I try to get different boxes when I can, and I do the typical or the usual Boxycharm, Ipsy, and all of those. So if you guys like unboxings, continue watching on my channel. So no more talking, let's get into the box so we can finally see what we got. So like I mentioned, this was a newer subscription. So I did try to do some research on YouTube to see if any other people get this box, but there weren't too many videos out there, or if they were from like 2 months ago or 3 months ago from, I wanted to see something a little bit more current, but I couldn't really find it. So I was like, you know what, whatever, fine, I'll just wait for my box to get here. So when you open it up, this is how it looks like inside. We have a little card that says, with every box purchase, you're helping 1,736 families in crisis center. Helping 1736 family crisis center by assisting those in need in the form of a monthly makeup, beauty, and self-care goodies with intention to enhance self-confidence. So 1736 Family Crisis Center is a non-profit organization. That's awesome. Here in LA, with a mission to help people through crisis, including domestic violence and human trafficking. I had no idea that this box was linked with that. So now I'm even happier that I got this box. So for those of you out there that want to help a cause, this would be a good box to start with, $19 a month, and you're helping a nonprofit association. So with like most of the other boxes, you get a little pamphlet giving you the information and the retail value for the products, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this aside. We'll look at the value at the end of this, and it is wrapped with a little tissue paper and a little sticker. So I'm gonna go ahead and break through that so we can finally get in. And I'm just gonna start pulling the first item that I see, and it looks like it is a mask. You can see it on there, and it is from the brand Teamy. This is a detox mask with a green tea blend. So it has matcha, lemongrass, and clay. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. If I am not mistaken, FabFitFun actually has this brand of tea a lot. So there's actual teas for this brand, and I guess they make masks as well. So this is a green tea mask, and the mask itself is actually green. It's like a dark green, and it is a clay mask, and it smells very, very green as well. So that is what it looks like there. So that is product number 1, a mask, and masks are always good. You always want to take care of your skin. So product number 1, let's see what else we have in here. So up next we have this. It says the Perfect V, and it says VV Serum, very V, beauty serum for the V. Rejuvenate, revitalize, and firm. So the new luxury skincare line to beautify the V, the small triangle wax shave, laser sugar, trim, dye, and then leave until the next time. Multitasking cream, serum, mist, and sheets to pamper the delicate skin of your V. So I guess this is around your pubic area, to take care of your skin. I have never heard of anything like this. This is totally different. So this is what our bottle looks like. It's just a serum. Let me see if there's anything else in here. Yeah, so this just says this is a serum to enhance your V, temporary tightens and firms skin, renews and improves the beauty of your V. So I guess it's for your V. So product number 2, very different. The mask, something that you normally get in boxes, but that serum there, very different from any of your other ones. So up next, I'm going to pull this one out. It is from Melanie Mills Hollywood, and this is a Gleam Body Radiance in rose gold. That is our package there. And let me see what this looks like. I wonder if it's going to be like blinding. So, whoa, okay. So let me show you. That is what it looks like there. And let me just put it here. Ooh, it gives you like a nice gold tone. Oh, that's very, very pretty. So it'll give you a tan bronze shade. It's really nice. And it smells really good too. It's not too like perfumey, but it does give you like a nice soft scent. So, and then let's see how this dries down, and we'll see at the end of the video, see how easy it'll rub off, or if it does at all. So product number 3, let's move on to our next one. What do we have here? So we have a liquid eyeliner. This is a pretty big packaging for a liquid eyeliner. It's called Eye Jumbo Liquid Eyeliner, and it is from the brand Kaylin. That is the packaging there. It's very, very simple, nothing around it, just the white letters there. So, whoa, that is a big tip. So that is what it looks like there, and let's see. Oh, that is a very nice black. That's the line there. And even though this is really fat at the bottom and thin at the top, it gives you a lot of control. So you can either a light pressure, or if you want it a little bit thicker, you can tilt it and then you can put a little bit more pressure. You can see the second line is way thicker than this middle one. So just depending on the pressure. And I think it's a really nice black. So I would just have to see how long lasting this is. Let's go on to another one. And I'm just going to go ahead and take this one out. And it looks like it's another mask. Just that this one is a sheet mask from Lapcos. And it says Aqua Hydrating. So this is just a single sheet mask, and I'm assuming this is more of a hydrating kind of thing. The first mask, the green tea mask, looks like it's more like clean out your impurities and everything else, and then this one will hydrate your skin. So I'm assuming this would count as another item. Let's see what else. I think we're almost done. This might actually be our last item, and it is from the Beauty Crop. And it is a Dawn Gazing palette, and it's an eyeshadow palette. Okay, so I'm curious to see what the colors look like, because here we have a a pink metallic packaging. So let's see what the inside looks like. So this is the packaging from the inside. It's very pretty pink, and I think it might be hollow. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, let me take this plastic out so you guys can see. There's no mirror, so it's just, blank at the top. But these are the colors that we have. let me see if I can get some quick swatches for you so you guys can see. Whoa, that I just put my finger into this color here, and it's so soft and creamy. Let me do some swatches really quick. Whoa, that is beautiful. Okay, let me do the rest of the colors so you guys can see how they swatch. Okay, so here I have some quick swatches for you guys. I can tell you the metallics are so nice and creamy and smooth and go on super nice. I have some mattes here, and this one here, not super pigmented. I think though with a brush and some like blending work, they will look really, really nice. And then there's also glitter in here. There's also glitter in here that you will definitely need a glitter glue to hold that in place. But overall, I think this palette, it's really, really nice. The colors are perfect for fall. You have your burgundies, you have your dark browns, and I think you can get some really nice looks out of this one. So this one here was our last product. So now let me grab my little card to see the retail value prices for these items, and then we'll go ahead and add it up and see what the total value of the box is. So we'll start with the V serum. So this one here, retail value for this one is $54. Then we have our Melanie Mills Hollywood Clean Body Radiance, and this one retail price is $18. This one is actually really, really nice. Now that I'm doing it, it dried down really well. I think if you rub it hard enough, it will come off. But as far as, just your like light touch or like a light rub with anything, I don't think it will come off. And it's really, really nice. It looks really, really nice. It gives me a nice like bronzy look. Then we have our eyeshadow palette from Beauty Crop, and retail value for this one is $25. Then we have the where to go wait, oh yeah. For a moment I forgot what I was looking for. So the Kaylin Eye Jumbo Liquid Eyeliner, retail value for this one is $18. Then we have the Lapkos Daily Skin Mask. It is $3. And last, we have the Teami Green Tea Detox Mask. Retail value for this one is $30. So let me go ahead and add all of these up really quick, and I'll give you the full retail value of the box. Okay, so after adding all of these up, the total value came out to $148. So for paying $19 for the box, that is not a bad value. I must say that a lot of these, actually, I have never heard of any of these brands. So these are all brand new brands for myself. So I've never heard of these. I don't know how good they are. They are not like well-known brands. But I think for $20, even though they're not well-known brands, I think, this palette, this mask, the eyeliner, I think they're really good items to have in the box. And it never hurts anybody to try different brands, outside of your big luxury brand. So I think this was a very good box. For being my first one, I was actually really, really happy, that with the things that I got. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Would you guys think of maybe getting this box? Is this something that interests you? Let me know. Let me know down in the comments, and we'll see what next month will bring us, because I am already waiting for it. I'm excited to see what they have out, what other things that they have. So I hope I will see you guys back next time when I do the box. For now, I will be posting other videos of different boxes, of course. So that is all for me from today, and I hope I will see you guys next time. Bye.